One of the greatest tools that a store can do of their business is to do an RO evaluation, all right, a repair order evaluation. And for years, we would go into stores and we would sit down and we would take a day and a half and sit there and analyze repair orders. And as we're going through analyzing the repair orders, everybody was thinking, how can we do this electronically? So we got challenged with how could we do this electronically by pulling it directly from the DMS. That's what Rose does. Rose integrates with the DMS and allows us to pull the information from the DMS that gives us the ability to look into the soul of the business. We can slice and dice the data quickly. It gives us the ability to look at it on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, a weekly basis, or an annual basis. Whatever information that we have, we can regurgitate that information into a very effective tool that pulls from the DMS. So basically, the way it works is we can do a repair order evaluation in a matter of minutes once it's up and running. It's been a tremendous tool for us, but now it's grown legs. Through communication with our clients, through feedback with our clients, we're now able to track technicians. We can take a look at what technicians are recommending. How many hours does a technician recommend over and above what the customer came in for? We have really tight measurement of the advisor's performance. We have the ability to do deep dives into effective labor rates. We can look at individual operations and see what impact that one operation has on the overall effective rate. And we can change pricing seamlessly by going back and addressing one operation in some cases, maybe 5, maybe 15, 25. Whatever the number is, we can go in and tweak those operations that would have a tremendous impact. The other advantage of Rose is it gives us the ability, M5 consultant, the ability to see what's going on in the store when we're not there. And we can go in and we can pull the store up and we can look at it and we can call the manager and go, hey, what happened yesterday? Why'd you only do X number of hours yesterday? Your goal's 200 hours, but you only did 100. What's the deal? So there's a level of accountability. But it all came about because we were spending so much time sitting there looking at repair orders. It's been a tremendous tool for us, but also our clients have seen the value of it, and we have a lot of clients using it. And it's a really effective way to see what's going on in the store.